2018 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, braking assist, driver's side remote mirror, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather upholstery, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, child safety locks, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.